What's going on, guys? Today I want to talk to you guys about this tiny little camera right here, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. This is one of the hottest cameras for vloggers and people that like to go on adventures and mount it pretty much anywhere. Not to mention, this little guy right here really transformed the way I go about my filmmaking and really has enhanced my experience, and not just that, but sped it up as well. Now, if you're anything like me, you probably hate when reviewers show the camera all over the video with B-roll and everything like that, but they don't actually use the product that they're reviewing to make the video. Well, let's go ahead and switch over right now. All right, guys, we're on the Action 5 camera, and one of the biggest things that I was having trouble with as I started my vlogging journey here on YouTube, for those that have been following me, is that I was using the Sony ZV-E1, which I absolutely love, is a compact mirrorless full frame vlogging camera. But the problem, it was still too big. When I actually started using it for vlogging and I started going out, trying to mount it on my car, trying to take it off the mount, taking it into stores, and trying to do everyday type of vlogging was just getting too much for me. The size was just, I mean, here, let me just go get it real quick. All right, see, look at this thing. I mean, look at this thing compared to the Action 5 that I just showed you. This thing is pretty heavy. You're gonna need a pretty secure mount. And then the problem is that if it falls, you're gonna be out thousands of dollars. The Action 5 is only $350, and for what I paid for this thing, I can buy multiple Action 5s for different angles if I really wanted to. All right, guys, rant over. Feature number one is the build quality of this thing. This thing is super compact and it's built like a brick. Like, you can literally throw this thing on the ground. You could drop it like this. Oh, just dropped it, picked it up. Nothing's gonna happen to it. You don't have to worry about this thing taking a few falls. The lens cover in front of it is replaceable, so if you do manage to break it, which is very hard, you can easily replace it, and it's only like 30 bucks. So you're not going to be missing out on thousands of dollars like your mirrorless rig. You can go underwater with it. You can vlog out in the rain. Right now, it's sprinkling a little bit, and I'm not worried about this thing at all. Now, another cool thing about this camera build is that it's so tiny, you can easily mount it anywhere. Your backpack, your bike, snowboard, skateboard, if you're an adventurer. But if you're just a vlogger like me, all you gotta do is get yourself one of these cool little car mounts, and you can easily detach it from tripod to car mount like that, and then you're all set to start vlogging in your car. The stabilizing in this thing is amazing, so you're not gonna have to worry about any car jitters or anything like that. And the cool thing is that when you're ready to go, you can just easily pinch the sides, unclip it, and continue on vlogging. It really is an easy camera to just grab and throw in your pocket and start filming. All right, and I know that everybody's been in this situation before. Have you guys ever forgotten one of these before? The SD memory card? Yeah, well, you don't have to worry about this. This is why feature number 2 is one of my favorites, and I think I didn't realize this, but it's now one of the features that I can't live without. With the internal storage on the Action 5 Pro, I can record up to 1 hour and 9 minutes on 4K 24 frames per second, and that to me is awesome. I can definitely record a full YouTube video with that amount of time in there if I was stuck in a pinch where I forgot this little thing right here. And lastly, guys, my third feature on this thing that I really love is the image quality and how easy it is to use. Literally anybody can use this. Your mom, your grandma, anybody can use this. Literally all you gotta do is turn it on and hit record, and the camera will do everything for you. And it records all the way up to 4K 24 frames, 60, 120 if you want slow motion and you're one of those adventure guys. You can definitely do that on this camera without having to worry about changing settings when going from dark places to outside places and having different light changes. This thing just does it so you can just go and continue on with your experience. This is one of my favorite features because messing around with settings and everything like that does slow you down, and especially when you're traveling, you just want to enjoy your experiences out where you're at, and you don't want to have to fiddle around with different features, trying to learn how the camera works or anything like that. With this thing, you literally just hit record and it does it all for you. This thing does record in D-Log-M, so it has that nice flat profile that you can add your color sauce to it, and it just looks fantastic to me. All right, guys, and those were my 3 features that get me to pick up the Action 5 Pro every single day over my other gear because they have truly made my life easier, especially you guys that have seen my daily vlogs. Picking this thing up every day makes it so much fun. This camera really took me back when I was 12 years old, making videos on VHS where I didn't have to edit, didn't have to do anything, literally just hit record and be able to document that without without any settings or anything like that. And knowing that I'm gonna capture an amazing 4K image out of this thing that I can color grade, it's just icing on the cake for me. If you guys have any questions or insights, please let me know in the comments below. If you already own an Action 5 Pro and know of any other features, please let me know below. I am learning this camera and I'm just so in love with it. I wanna try to build a connection with other Action 5 Pro camera users so that we can all connect and share experiences and tips and tricks on this fun new camera. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Peace.